5 evening drinks to detox the liver and lose weight. Liver detoxification has become a determining factor for anyone who struggles with their weight or obesity. This organ is responsible for carrying out nearly 500 bodily functions, including the ability to cleanse the blood, aiding digestion of fats, and increasing metabolic activity. However, because of poor dietary choices and constant exposure to environmental toxins, the health of this organ can become compromised and it can become less capable of performing each of its jobs. That's why it's becoming more and more important to take up a cleansing plan to eliminate any waste that could alter the liver's primary functions. Right now we would like to propose 5 healthy nighttime drinks that have detoxifying and medicinal qualities, while also assisting in weight loss. 1. Chamomile infusion. Chamomile tea is one of the best beverages for nighttime. It is gentle to digest and supports liver cleansing due to its antioxidants. It also has sedative properties to control the nervous system while also alleviating stress and improving sleep quality. And lastly, we need to point out that chamomile tea also has anti-inflammatory properties, which are perfect for alleviating inflamed muscles and tissues. 2. Warm lemon water. Warm lemon water is a popular drink for the beginning of the day, but it's also incredibly beneficial to drink it at night. Lemon has diuretic and cleansing properties, which support liver function for better health. 3. Ginger and lemon tea. Ginger and lemon make the perfect weight loss combination, while also improving health. Both ingredients contain significant amounts of vitamin C and other antioxidants which ward off disease and improve metabolism. Ginger is an anti-inflammatory and it also helps treat common conditions, like cellulitis. It also has a thermogenic effect which increases calorie consumption and the elimination of waste substances. Lemon, on the other hand, strengthens the immune system and acts as a powerful cleanser which helps reduce abdominal swelling. 4. Mint tea. Mint tea is a healthy drink with properties that improve digestion, especially after hearty meals. Menthol and menthone essential oils increase the body's ability to eliminate waste products that would otherwise remain in the liver and colon. 5. Oatmeal tea. Oat beverages contain significant amounts of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which improve digestion while cleansing the liver and intestines. They also have a relaxing effect which increases a sense of well-being for a restful night of sleep. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.